hot day. Water is warm. Refrigerator is the next issue. It don't work. It ain't gonna work. Never worked right all the time I had it. Alright, so I bought this 12 volt freezer or refrigerator. I guess it depends on what you want. I forget, but I guess it goes down to -7. Close enough to 0 for me. Smallish thing here, but we'll see. Anyhow, the plan is to take this out of here, cut it off about here so that I can put the front face of it back in with this nice door, and this thing imaging here, and we'll see how this works. And then we'll have the cooler right here going this way, and all kinds of storage above it. This is gonna be a good idea if I can pull it off. Okay, problem number 1 is I can't get this out of the door. So, try taking it apart and see how that works. This will be a challenge. What's over here? Shower. Whoa, where'd you come from? Did you see that? This little rabbit. What's this? A screw that is too long. Maybe. Alright. Let's get this apart and see what we got to work with. Okay, having trouble figuring this out. It's gonna have to go that way, I think. Take the refrigerator that was in here, cut it off at about either 7 inches, maybe 5. Turn that thing sideways, but it's going to be difficult to get it in there. Because when you turn it sideways, the corners hit the walls. Not very hard, but hard enough. So I think I can insulate and cover this, and just cover this, just so it looks decent in the back wall. I guess I'm just going to start cutting to see what happens. Alright, I gotta put these corner pieces back in to hold this whole thing all together. While I hack on it, I think I'm gonna cut it off about here. Too bad these aren't back, but these are gonna show, I think, unless I cut it off here. Let me think. Okay, so now when you first open the door of the refrigerator, that's what you see. Until you get in here. Okay, this is what I did. Cut it off. This will go behind it. But I'm going to have to figure out how to get airflow from here. Either up here and out, Yeah, that should work, I think. How much room do I got here? Not much. Okay, refrigerator opening update. Just so I don't forget. 2 inches of foam on the ceiling. 1 inch added to the side. A ½ inch added under here. This only goes to this closet. That one goes outside. No insulation here. Because I can't, it would make this too narrow. This is protected, insulated, if you will, by all this stuff and this enclosure. Now we should be okay there. This, and these 2 pieces are held on with contact cement. Okay, almost done with it. This is all lined with stuff. Plastic left over from other jobs. This is in. 12 volt outlet is in. I put that back in. Made new wires for this. Put a shelf in. Put a ceiling on. Added 2 inches of foam to the ceiling, which is now 3 inches total. Added an inch here. Can't add any there because then there's no room to turn this to put it in. Alright, so you have to get one more part so I can finish the door, put it in. Okay, all back together. This is now a pantry, not a refrigerator. The door holds all kinds of stuff. Could hold all kinds of stuff. I cut the last 2/3 of the refrigerator off so that this would fit in. Got pieces of wood both sides, front and rear, so it don't slide around much. 12 volt power and 110 right below it. Fresh air from outside. The fan pickup is right here, blows this way, up and out, theoretically. Little shelf here for stuff. And that's the name of that too. Magnetic strip keeps it shut. And this travel rack and that. Alright, it's hot. 86 there. $89 there. So, which is it? How about too hot? Okay, go home. Okay, today, try to get this cooler working. Let's see. 86. Ish. Alright, let's make a couple cords up and see if they work. That's what we're gonna do here. Cut this. Put some of these things into it so I can more easily switch from AC to DC. Don't you see? Okay, let's do it and see what happens. Okay, done. This goes to the refrigerator. And this is the other end of this. I did it because you can't just reach over here and unplug this thing. If you want to use AC, you gotta switch ends. This way you don't. It stays in. Once I'm on a road 12 volt, I use this. And if I'm on shore power, we use this. Not this. This. I just plug this into that. But I'm struggling to get this off. Now the next thing is, where am I going to store those stuff? Yeah. Alright. I guess up there for now. I was going to put food up there. I still can, some. And food in the door. The stuff that does not need refrigeration. And this will not need refrigeration. But this is the refrigeration. I got some storage room back here. But I will need some kind of container to hold this stuff. Have to look around. Okay, that's it. Okay, all back in and functioning. I don't know what you could put up there. Something lightweight. I just opened it up and added some water, so it'll probably warm up a bit. Other than that, coming right along nicely for the last few weeks. Never did find a place to put that. But something will show up. Like I said, room back here. I like it.